What's up, everyone? You've reached Tuck Notes, and this is Tuck's thoughts on stocks. Stock thoughts. It's a tongue twister. I still gotta get it down, but basically, in this playlist is kind of like I share what I've learned, the things I've made mistakes in, and I haven't made a video in a while, and now that we've had a huge rage in this market and the Bitcoin went up from $18,000 or $20,000 and it just hit $40,000, and stock market's just doing phenomenal. And these are times when people can make mistakes. These are times when I've made mistakes. I shouldn't say people, I should say just speak for myself. And so I don't want you guys to make these mistakes. And so how can we avoid these? Because this is a together thing. I get messages from you guys. Thank you. I'm glad you guys made your money off of your bingo cash, or we'll call it bingo. It's by BNGO is the ticker symbol, off of that rally. And don't lose faith in that. I'm not going to get into that and tell you what to do, but don't forget about it. Reinvest into it later when it goes down. So this is a hypothetical situation I came up with. All right. Imagine you have $100. Someone gave you $100 gift. All right. With that $100, this is what I would have done a long time ago if I had the patience to do it. I'd open up a WEBULL account. With this $100, you get 2 stocks for free, of which are between $8 and $16 worth of value. I know this for a fact because I did it, thinking that I was going to get into these really small penny stocks that didn't exist on WEBULL. Second mistake I learned. If you hear of some penny stocks that sound good, do some research and find out what app has them and lets you trade them. But also, do not invest into penny stocks unless you know what you're doing. Also, this is a beginner stock talk. However, there has been some penny stock talk investing been going on in this, and people have been making some money off of it. I know people have. And that's why my subscriber list, thank you guys so much, is continually growing. I have 57 subscribers now. Who would have ever thought? So congratulations. This is the part where I get to say, congratulations, Tucker, pat on the back. I've got 57 people that want to listen to what I have to say because I've got something good to give to you. And I love giving and I love helping, and that's the part of this. So we got $100. And here's the catch with WEBULL, another WEBULL catch that no one tells you. You have to wait 3 to 4 weeks until you can get the stocks. It's like the first week you wait till your $100 clears, and then you can choose the stock. Make sure you choose it on the day that they say it clears, or you're going to delay the time process. And then that's a month later. Okay, so a month later goes down the line. You clear, you either take that $100 and you invest it into some stocks into WEBULL during that month, or you just keep the $100 there. For me, at the time, I had Robinhood going on, so I just left the $100 there, and a month went by, or whatever, and I put the money back into the Robinhood account, which is where I'm going to get to. WEBULL is very complex. It's very hard to use. It's not user-friendly. It's very hard to navigate and hard to understand what you're doing. I don't recommend it for beginners. I don't recommend it for people that even think they're not a beginner. Look, I started in May last year, and I'm a beginner by far. There's so much to learn every day, and that's why I share these videos. So now we're at the point where we got the $120, and let's just say we have the 120. We got 100. Okay, so we have $115. Let's just say we got a $7 stock and an $8 stock. So we got $15. Now we have $115, and now we're going to open up a Robinhood account. Or by this time, hopefully in this process, you've opened up a Robinhood account. And hopefully you've chosen my link on here because I'm giving you all this information on how to make money. So hook me up with a free stock, please. That would be nice. You don't have to. You can just do it yourself and get your own free stock, but that would just be a kind of a cool gesture. But so you get your Robinhood account stock, which is probably going to be between $2 to $4, maybe $5. And now you're with almost $120 to invest into Robinhood. And now you go, congratulations. I made it. I did what Tuck was saying, and now I'm at this point. What do I do? All right. For me, I go and say, bye. You figure out you have 100%, right? You should have at least 80. You should have 80% of your money in a strong, established stock. And in this case, only having $100, I would use Tesla. If you had $200, I would use Tesla. If you had $300, I would use Tesla. If you had $3,000, that's my game, Tesla, because it's only shown me that time after time as I hold on to Tesla and do not sell it, just gains continue to grow and grow. And that's the story for everyone that holds on. And these are arts that you learn through making mistakes and selling when I'm up on, whatever. Let's just focus on this because I want to get rid of this. Not rid of this. I want to finish the story. So let's say 80% of it you're going to put into Tesla, and then the 20% you're going to follow Tuck Notes. You're going to follow Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk, and then you're going to also do your own research, and you're going to look into the stocks, some of the stocks that I've talked about, these penny stocks that are doing phenomenal. They're not penny stocks now. They're now between $1 and $10. And other stocks I've talked about in the past with others, and with previous subscribers, we've talked about stocks that were worth more than that had potential. Now we're focusing on smaller stocks that are not established yet, and there's a risk and a reward, and that's something that you have to just balance on yourself. But at least if all came to worst, you lost all of your 20%, you still have that 80% of Tesla, which is just turned into 90% with you not doing anything, because it's just an established, strong company and it's coming up with better and better things. You're gonna just gain that money back, and then hopefully you got a job, and you every paycheck you take some money and you put it into Tesla, and you buy a part, put $50, $100, but the faster you do this, the faster you will be off, because Tesla will soon be it will be very expensive to afford one share. But the fundamentals of it is that you're buying into a good stock that when it does have these, run-ups, they're crazy run-ups. They just had a $100 run-up pretty much. And what stock goes, makes $52 in one day? doesn't mean they say it's going to go down in a little bit, but over time it's going to go up. And so the other money you use, this 20%, is your fun money, or what you call it. For someone like me, it's hard for me to just sit and just hold my stocks it's hard to watch a person just hold your stocks, or you sit and hold them and just wait and wait. It gets boring after a while too, right? So the extra 20% of whatever you have, hopefully if you do it the right way, you can make some gains off of that, and either take that, whatever money you make off of that, and you can put half of it into Tesla and then half into making more money, however you want to do it. But I also want to throw down to this. Bitcoin is also becoming a noun. I guess it was known before, but a way of putting money away for your investment in the long run. So putting money away into Bitcoin for the long run. And I'm going to make a video right now about what are the 3 things you can do about with the last 2 weeks we've had in the stock market of people and how much money you've made, or you haven't lost any money, but what do you do? So this was how to make money with $100. I hope you like it. I'm going to make another video and check that one out. It's really important because it ties into this one, and it's from really and I get this information from really established YouTubers, people that also have a different outlook on life and a different upbringing also. Something that we're not used to if you're an American, you're watching this. Completely different. And so it's very healthy to have this type of thinking. And so I can't wait to share it with you guys. You like my video, like the video. You can follow me on Instagram. At TuckerMLO. And you can check out my blog at #TucksBlog. Have a good night. Talk to you later. Peace.